Hey, so we've had a pretty good productive day here, packing up. We got back from the beach yesterday and we've been doing wardrobe boxes and did a little bit of self-care too. We were able to get a little workout in and I got a pedicure, which felt so nice after not having any self-care pretty much for 3 months. So that was nice. I had to treat myself. So this is a tip. I wanted to give you a little snapshot of what I've been doing this morning. I think this will really come in handy when we are moving into our new house. I can't take credit for this. I read it or saw it down the road somewhere. So basically, you color coordinate your boxes to what room they're going to be delivered in. So the master is red, Macy's orange, and Hunter's blue, and then I think the basement guest bedroom will be white. So basically, let me flip this around here. Okay, so here you go. If you can see, color coordinated so that the people who are, the movers who are bringing the boxes out of the truck don't have to read, they don't have to be confused, color. They go up, they see the color that I'm gonna have posted outside of the doors. So that way it's an easy drop and hopefully can be a little bit more efficient in that way.